Have you ever wondered how to earn your first million? It's a question that has certainly crossed the minds of many, sparking dreams and visions of a life of luxury and financial freedom. But when it comes to actually amassing that coveted million, most of us are left scratching our heads, unsure of where to start or how to proceed. It's important to dispel some common misconceptions about earning $1 million right off the bat. The first is that it's a matter of luck. Sure, there are those who win the lottery or strike it rich with a sudden windfall, but these instances are far from the norm. For the vast majority, earning $1 million is not a game of chance. It's a calculated and strategic process. The second misconception is the allure of shortcuts. The idea of making a quick buck is certainly appealing, but in reality, these shortcuts often lead to financial ruin rather than riches. In the quest for your first million, it's crucial to remember that genuine wealth is not built overnight. It requires patience, perseverance, and a whole lot of hard work. But don't let these truths discourage you. Instead, let them serve as a reminder that the path to your first million is not shrouded in mystery. It's not about having a silver spoon, a stroke of luck, or knowing the right people. It's all about having a clear strategy and the discipline to follow through with it. To earn your first million, you need to understand the principles of wealth creation, the importance of setting clear financial goals, the power of investing smartly, and the art of diversifying your income streams. And above all, you need to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your financial dreams. So, are you ready to discover the secret to earning your first million? It's time to dive in and explore the strategies and steps that can lead you to your first seven-figure payday. Let's demystify the $1 million question and set you on the path to financial success. The first step to earning your first million begins within you. Yes, you heard that right. It all starts with self-belief, an unwavering faith in your abilities that propels you towards your goals, no matter how ambitious they may seem. Imagine being a sculptor and your mind is the raw marble. It's your job to chisel away the doubts, the fears, the insecurities, until what's left is a masterpiece of conviction and determination. That's the power of self-belief. Successful entrepreneurs, the ones who've scaled the mountain of $1 million, they all share this trait. They believe in their capabilities even when others might not. They're not afraid to take risks, to step out of their comfort zones, to reach for the stars and to fall, only to rise again stronger and more determined. Remember, your mindset isn't just a part of the journey, it's the compass that guides you, the fuel that drives you. Your mindset paves the way to your success. With the right mindset, the next step is to set clear financial goals. Visualizing your first million is exciting, but it's not enough to simply dream about it. You need to have a clear, quantifiable target and a strategic plan to get there. Setting financial goals is like plotting a course on a map. Without a destination in mind, you could end up anywhere. But with a clear goal, you'll have a direction and a path to follow. Now let's talk about what makes a good financial goal. A good financial goal should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART for short. Specific goals are well-defined and clear. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, say, I want to earn $1 million. This gives you a tangible target to strive for. Measurable goals allow you to track your progress. If your goal is to earn $1 million, break it down into smaller, measurable milestones. For example, aim to increase your income by 10% every year. Achievable goals are realistic and within your reach. If you're earning $20,000 a year, it might not be achievable to aim for $1 million in 1 year. But it might be achievable in 10 years with the right strategies. Relevant goals align with your broader financial plans and personal aspirations. If your dream is to start your own business, your financial goals should support this dream. Time-bound goals have a deadline. Setting a time frame creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused and motivated. Remember, your financial goals serve as your roadmap to earning your first million. They guide your financial decisions and help you stay on track. So take some time to think about what you want to achieve financially, write down your goals, and make a plan to achieve them. And don't forget to revisit your goals regularly. Life is unpredictable and your goals might need to change as your circumstances do. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now that you have your goals, it's time to make your money work for you. You see, money is a bit like a diligent employee. If you manage it well and give it the right tasks, it will work tirelessly to generate more wealth for you. That's the power of investing. It's not about hoarding your hard-earned money under a mattress. It's about sending it out into the world to multiply. Let's think about the different types of investments. The stock market is often the first place people think of, and for good reason. Buying shares in a company gives you a slice of their future profits, but remember, with higher potential returns come higher risks. Then there's real estate, a tangible asset that you can see and touch. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of income while also appreciating in value over time. Bonds, on the other hand, are like IOUs from governments or corporations. You lend them money and they promise to pay you back with interest. It's a safer bet, but the returns are often lower. And let's not forget about mutual funds and ETFs, which allow you to diversify your investments across a range of assets. They're managed by professionals and are a great way for beginners to dip their toes into the investment pool. Now let's talk about a secret weapon in your investment arsenal: compound interest. Albert Einstein once called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process where the interest you earn starts earning interest itself. Over time, this snowball effect can lead to incredible growth in your wealth. But remember, investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market. The key is to start early, invest consistently, and let the magic of compound interest do its work. Investing is not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich smart. It's about understanding the power of your money and unleashing it to create a future of financial freedom. It's about making your money work, so you don't have to. To earn your first million, you need to diversify your income streams. Now let's break that down. You see, diversification is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Why? Because it reduces risk and increases earning potential. Think of it like this: if you had a garden and only planted one type of seed, what would happen if a disease struck that particular plant? You'd lose everything. So imagine your income stream as a garden. You're the gardener, and your job is to plant a variety of seeds that can withstand different conditions. Some of these seeds might be slow growers, others might thrive right away, but the point is you're not reliant on just one crop to sustain you. Let's put it into practical terms. Say you have a regular 9-to-5 job, that's one income stream. But what if you could also make money from a side business, or by investing in stocks, real estate, or even by writing a blog or a book? These are all viable options that can bring in additional income. And the beauty of it is, these income streams have the potential to grow and become more profitable over time. Diversifying your income streams is like having a safety net. It provides you with financial stability, and it allows you to take calculated risks. And let's not forget, it can also pave the way to earning your first million. But remember, diversification is not just about having different income streams, it's about balancing them. It's about understanding what each one can offer and how they can work together to achieve your financial goals. And yes, it requires time, effort, and sometimes even a bit of trial and error. But don't get discouraged. Embrace the challenge and see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. After all, what's more rewarding than watching your garden flourish, knowing that you've nurtured it, one seed at a time? So as we wrap up this segment, I'll leave you with this thought. Diversification is the key to building wealth. It's about creating multiple income streams that can weather any storm. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And finally, remember the power of patience. As we journey towards financial success, it's crucial to understand that wealth creation is not a sprint, but a marathon. The notion of becoming an overnight millionaire is a myth that's been sold to us by the media and flashy success stories. In reality, building substantial wealth is a slow and steady process, much like nurturing a tree from a seed to a full-blown fruit-bearing entity. It involves consistent effort, making smart decisions, and weathering financial storms. Each step you take, each investment you make, needs time to mature and yield results. Patience allows you to stay the course, maintain your focus, and avoid knee-jerk reactions that might derail your financial journey. It's the bridge between your initial investment and the compound interest that will eventually lead to your first million. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success.